profile milling saw, automatic vs cold cutting saw, and tube mill line. In modern ERW tube mill lines, the cutting system plays a critical role in ensuring dimensional accuracy, surface quality, and production efficiency. Two widely used cutting solutions are the profile milling saw automatic and the cold cutting saw, flying cold saw. Each system offers distinct advantages depending on production requirements, pipe specifications, and investment strategy. Cold cutting saw. The cold cutting saw, commonly referred to as a flying cold saw, is one of the most advanced cutting solutions used in high-speed ERW tube mills. It synchronizes with the tube production speed and cuts the tube without stopping the line. Key features: flying cutting system, synchronized with line speed. High-speed operation for continuous production. Minimal heat generation during cutting. CNC controlled for precise length tolerance. Advantages: extremely accurate length control. Clean cut without significant heat affected zone. Ideal for high-speed production lines. High automation level. Cold cutting saws are ideal for manufacturers focusing on large-scale production with strict dimensional accuracy and consistent product length. They are widely used in automotive, construction, and industrial pipe manufacturing. Profile milling saw automatic. The profile milling saw automatic is a high-performance cutting system designed for continuous tube production. It operates using a rotating milling cutter that removes material during the cutting process. This method ensures clean, burr-free edges and excellent cut surface quality. Key features: suitable for medium to high-speed tube mill lines, produces smooth and precise cutting surfaces, ideal for structural tubes and profile pipes, stable performance with reduced vibration, lower blade consumption compared to friction saws. Advantages: high cutting accuracy, excellent end face quality, reduced deformation on thin wall tubes, efficient for heavy-duty applications. Profile milling saw systems are particularly suitable when precision and surface finish are priorities. They are often selected for applications requiring tight tolerances and high-quality finished products. The selection between a profile milling saw automatic and a cold cutting saw depends on production capacity, product specifications, budget. Which one should you choose? The selection between a profile milling saw automatic and a cold cutting saw depends on production capacity, product specifications, budget, and required precision level. For high-speed, large-scale production, the cold cutting saw is the preferred solution. For heavy-duty profiles and cost-effective precision cutting, the profile milling saw offers excellent performance. At LOTOS Forming, we design and supply complete tube mill lines equipped with advanced cutting technologies tailored to customer requirements. Our engineering team ensures optimal synchronization between forming, welding, and cutting sections to maximize productivity and product quality.